Hey everyone, welcome back to Terranfer Studios. My name is Ken, and we are doing something a little different today. So you notice my setup is kind of different. Things are flipped around because I wanted to do a new showcase for the new web application that I just put up on my website. Now, I'm going to try and keep this as short as possible, but I tend to ramble on. Editing will help, but hopefully I'm going to try and keep this under 10 minutes. So first things first, if you go to my website, terranferstudios.com, link in the description, you may not see the new update. So if you've been to my website before, you may have to erase the browser history for this to pop up. Once you erase the browser history or go there for the first time, you'll see a new tab pop up that says Wheel of Destiny. This is the new web application that I just put up. So my original idea for this was to create a chance wheel that I can use for my videos when playing Mega Man. I wanted it to be something when I play a classic game, or even when I play Mega Man Maker, I could spin the wheel and give myself a harder challenge. Like Bingo before it was very geared towards Mega Man players though. It's something that other people couldn't use, and that's one thing I wanted to change for the wheel. So it's a very simple model. You hit the spin button and the wheel will spin and it will land on a choice and then you'd have to do that choice. The problem with that was, not only has it been done plenty of times, but I felt like it was geared towards only one person. So if I put this up just the way it was, anyone who's playing Mega Man can play this. But what if they wanted to play a different game? Or what if they didn't want to play a game in general? What if they just wanted to decide what to do that day? Or figure out an even way for the kids to do chores? I wanted this to be multi-purpose. And this was going to be the first app I built that was not geared towards one singular thing. I wanted it to be used for a multitude of options. So that's when the menu came in. So now when doing the menu thing, there were two things I knew I wanted. One, I wanted full customization as much as possible. And two, I wanted this to be easy to use. So I'll show you how I traverse them now. So when you click on the menu button, you'll see a box that comes up. And these are all your options to customize your own wheel to your own specification. So that was the first thing. I wanted this to be completely customizable. So you can put whatever words you want inside the wheel, so to have your choices. Now, the one thing I will say is don't make the words too long, because then it just won't show up. So all you have to do is tap on the search box, type in what you want, and then hit enter. So the first problem I ran into was how tedious it was to have to click enter for each different choice. So I decided to make an enter all button, so this way you can type all your stuff in and only hit it once. The second problem I ran into was how tedious it was to have to do that every time you went to the website, and that was a huge problem. The other problem we just talked about wasn't that big a deal. It was tedious, but it could have been worth it. Having someone go to this website and then have to redo their entire template every time wasn't worth using the website. I did it myself. Having to do it every time, it just wasn't worth it. So the way saving works is anytime you hit an enter button, an enter all button, or change the color in any of the parameters, it will automatically save to your web browser and device. So if you're using PC on Google, when you go back to the same PC on the same web browser at Google, it will save exactly the template you want. You never have to redo it again. If you go to a different web browser or a different device, then it'll be different. I figured this was a great option because any chance wheels that I found on the internet available for download or via website, I didn't find any with too many customizations. And I wanted something that can be basically fully customized. Now, can you pick any color you want? No. But you can pick through a variety of colors. And the last feature that I did add, I added a reset button. I did realize that people may want to go back to the Mega Man scheme and not know how to do that. So whenever you hit the reset button, it will reset back to the default Mega Man scheme. I figured this was a good option for a multitude of reasons. Any fellow YouTuber or streamer can use this on their videos or streams to do a variety of things. Parents can use it for troll lists for their kids. You can even change all the names to movies you haven't seen and then give it a spin and watch the movie you haven't seen yet. I know there's a variety of different ways that people are going to use this, but let me know how you use this web application and any features you'd like to see added. One feature I am already thinking about adding, if I have to figure out when I can do it, but I want to set up a way so you can save different schemes. So say you want to do the Mega Man scheme, but then you also have a troll list for your kids, or you also have a movie spinner to see what movie you're going to play. I want you to be able to, I want to try and implement at least 3 different things that you can save, so you can have 3 different schemes set up, saved at the same time. That's going to be a new feature, hopefully that comes out soon. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get to it. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you use it, and I hope you look forward to me using it on my channel. So as always, stay happy, stay healthy, stay pixel perfect. I'm gonna make my beard pointy. My beard has to be pointy, otherwise I look like a hot mess. Had a baby is a boy. Had a baby is a boy. Had a baby is a boy. So it's a very simple model. You hit the spin button, the wheel will spin. And it'll... Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, if I do that, then I'd have to redo the website. But I wanted to redo the website anyway. I want to redo the front of the website. If I redo the front of the website, then I can just implement it in the back end, and then it wouldn't have to matter. I wouldn't have to update it twice. Coffee break, everyone. Coffee. I'm not smiling enough. I'm too stiff. This is weird. Why is this weird? Fun feathers feel fine. Fun feathers feel fine. Fun feathers feel fine. Maybe they feel fine.